In this part, we are going to talk about how to debug the programs. And the first one is I just create a main.py and also the command.txt, and I just let you know the command of using the debug modules and also the new method. So first we go to define some functions, and I just go to print hello1, and then we duplicate this and hello2, and then we also create the variable y is or x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 3, and then we go to print y plus z and print x plus x, and then we execute the function hello and also print x plus y, and we save it. And now if we go to the terminal and maybe we disable the pylint, so it will disable those unnecessary markers. And in the traditional way, we have to import the PDB, and then we can set the breakpoint by, for example, if we go to set the breakpoint at here, we can set PDB dot set trace, and then we go to for example, right before the hello or after the hello, we use the PDB dot set trace, and then we run the program like before, and then we use Python main.py, and now you can see it will go to here, print y plus z, because we have set the trace here. And we can use the help. If you type h, you can see the help menu, and if you want to see where this file is, we can type w for where, and now you can see the path of the file, and it's still at here. And we can also pass next by using and then it go to next line, and then if you go to next, it will go to hello, and then it will go to the you can see it will print out the hello1 and hello2, and you can see this is the next function. And you can see there is another thing, which is the step into the function. Now you can see we just see the result, but we cannot step inside the function by using and. So for example, if we run again, you can see Q is to quit. So we type Q, and then we type Python main.py, and then if you type S, you can see again it go to the print x plus x and hello, and look be aware of this. If you press S again, it go to define hello instead of just print out the hello 1 and hello 2. So we press S again, you can see it print hello 1. And C is to jump to the next breakpoint. So if you type C, you can see it go to the print x plus y immediately. So I can show you again. If you python main.py and then you just type C, it will immediately jump to here, and this is x plus y. And if you type L, it will print out the line numbers, and it will show you the code before this line and also after this line. And we can also set the breakpoint by ourselves. For example, you can set the breakpoint by using B, and then you choose, for example, you choose 13 or 12. So you type B 12, then it will set the breakpoint 1 at the line 12. And if you type one more, for example B8, it will set the breakpoint at line 8. And now you can show all the breakpoint by typing B, and you can see all the breakpoint. And if you want to clear the breakpoint, for example, you can clear by using the CL, and then this is not typing 8, instead you type 2, because this is the indicator imply the breakpoint number 2. So now if you go to press B again, you can see we just has one breakpoint. So for example, if you type B8 and then we type B, you can see the first breakpoint and the third breakpoint. And then if you just want to clear all the breakpoints here, you can just type CL, and then it will ask you whether you want to clear all the breakpoints, and you type yes, and then you type B again. You can see there are no breakpoints here. So this is how to use the PDB modules. And nowadays you can see we can just delete the import PDB, and then we just replace this with breakpoint. So for example, if you type the Python, we quit this again, and then we type python main.py, and now you can see it still go to y plus z. And then if you press C to continue, it will go to the next breakpoint, and which is here. And you can print the values by using P. So for example, if you go to here and you want to print x plus y, you can see we get 3. So you can see if x plus y, and this is 3. And if print y, and this is 2. Print x, and this is true. And so this is how to use the debuggers in Python.